morning. A blessed Wednesday morning, guys. How are you all doing? We want to open our vlog today and see what the day has for us. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, as usual. But today, two things are happening today. Firstly, my toddler, Excel, their school is hosting what is it called? Um, JC Jessie Day. But unfortunately, she does not even have a single Jessie, and the notice came shortly. So it's more like I just put her on her sportswear, the top, because they said you wear the jersey on top, then you wear trouser below. That's jean trouser. Okay, so I actually just wore her the jersey on top, as in did I say jersey? Her sportswear on top, which I know she will not be the only person, even though the sportswear looks like jersey kind of. So she wore it, and then the trouser also. Yeah, but she's already off. See my baby, it's as though teeth is about to start again. When it starts, it stops, it starts again, it stops until all the teeth are complete. She's actually disturbing. Luckily for me, I've been able to bathe her. I've given her breakfast, but I think she wants to sleep. Yeah. So, and again today, um our daddy did not go to work. He has an emergency client to go and install inverter. Come, let me show you guys. Let's go. So, guys, I'll be taking you to the keke man. See the keke man? That will be this is the man that helps me to bring goods to our house. Any work at all. He actually brought this inverter that I'm going to show you guys. Then he's also taking my husband to the place where he will do the work. So let's go. Good morning. How your people? Since so him don go comot o. Na me and this small one. And I know say she wan go too. Yes, so she also wants to go. I told her it's remaining small o. See the inverter and the battery inside. Okay, I would have even videoed it. Baba Lookman, na beggar una dey go to. Beggar. Dat place what up no dey dey. In the morning. Eh. So guys, you people have seen the battery and the inverter. So my husband, he actually does installation. So my husband requests for water. They're about to leave. Let me give him. Mama, see now. They no one come follow us. Now daddy dey sabi. Come. Let me follow her. Hmm? She didn't want to. She wanted to go with the daddy. Let's go and on the water. Very, very important. They just brought light. So let's on the water. This is actually three sockets for the three apartments in my compound. Okay, so this one is for my own apartment, this one is for this apartment, whereas this one is for the other apartment at the end when you are coming to our gate. So it's this turn of this apartment to pump, whereas these used to be our bed, but for some reasons we want to change it by God's grace. So we had to keep it this side. So finger crossed, if you have watched my last video, you notice that our foam is on the floor now. So we actually removed it. We want to get a new one by God's grace. See our daddy. Because I own this. He's already going. Going. See, uh-uh. Ash, see. Anyway, it's her stage. Even if she wants to cry, she does not want her daddy to leave her. But daddy is going to work. Oh. Daddy is going to work. He's going. There. You want to leave Como? Eh? See Anna. Hey, she won't follow her papa go work today. Who be mommy up there? Miriam, is it me that is mommy up there? I don't blame you, Miriam. Follow who? I wish it's possible. So I will, today I'll just say, God, thank you. It's not possible now. It's just let's reach the gate and see if she will accept. Eh? Mommy up there and her colleague doing some things where they sabi do best. One more. Reserve rope for me, yes. These are our tiny, yes. I dey wait for madam to sleep. No spread heavy something for this blue one, light one. It's even madam that is holding me. I didn't mean she have slept. I would have started washing immediately. She has eaten, she has bathed. Although I don't know, she's been like she wants to sleep somehow. Yes, yeah. I don't know. So guys, those women you saw washing clothes, they actually help people to wash clothes or maybe do clean up, but they're actually the compound sweepers, our compound sweepers. They also have some other compounds they do go to do sweep their compound just just to survive. Okay. People go through a lot to just survive, and they're also married women. It's fine, it's well. So actually that clothes they're washing is not theirs, is my outside neighbors clothes them that they have been packing. They used to come and help them and wash it, after which they will appreciate them. So that's how it has been. So currently again, I don't know, for some reason our lights, we are supposed to have light, but I don't know why, and we don't have light now. So mama, we are supposed to have light and we no come get light. This is so funny. From transformer. Wow. So that means for the meantime we will not now have light. Oh, again. Bye bye. Guys, this is not funny. See what I'm saying? This flat now has light, whereas this one and my own does not have light. This is weird though. It have actually happened before. My husband that checked it, you saw him checking the fuse. He said it's from transformer. This thing is paining me. If not that we have a inverter and solar, I don't even know how I will cope now. But it's fine until when they bring it back. So guys, we are stepping out. I just want to quickly go and I just want. Hey guys, so yeah, it's a quick one. We're actually going outside of the estate, but we'll be taking this route, which is the second gate. I want to go and get crayfish, and of course I'm with my umbrella, okay, and my purse in case of miscellaneous expenses. So yeah, and my baby's on my back. I want to quickly rush before this sun gets intense. You see, it's gradually increasing. So that's the reason why I carried umbrella. So if in case it should increase the more, I'll on the umbrella. I will even on it now. Wait, let me on it. I've on it now. It's better. Okay, because this Lagos sun is nothing to write home about. Some people will be like, leave the morning sun that is vitamin C. Not the way with the not with the rate at which this Lagos sun is shining. So you want to go and I apologize. I'm breathing heavily. I don't know why. Maybe I'm tired. So you just want to go and get the pepper and crayfish from. There are some people that sells all these food item. Okay, so we'll go and get it and come back. It's not like I'm cooking it now, but for it to be close to me, okay, while I am at home, so that not when I want to make use of it, I would be looking for how to start coming out because of the sun. So this is within the estate. The owner of this house, the owner of this particular house that they are renovating, and this house and this one are of the same style. But I ask people that live here to park out so that they can renovate it. You see, it's going on. Later, they will still demolish this one, I guess so. So yeah, and also we have a small mosque in our estate. This door, I don't want to video direct so that they will not know that I'm videoing them, or they might get upset. So see this building. I love this building because of this Christmas tree. They implanted it on it. I just love it. It's just giving the building this fine look. You can see fine buildings in my estate, guys. And see plantain. We have once unplugged a little plantain from here and planted in front of our compound, but at some point the plantain did very well. But at some point we uprooted it because of the landlady said we should uproot it. You know, some people will just be enemy of progress. Not the landlady actually, but the people that kind of like gave her one reason or the another. Best known to them, I don't know. Good morning, sirs. Good morning, sirs. That's our security estate. What am I even saying? Our security. See our transformer, guys. I don't know why it's not supplying light to everybody, but it's fine. It's fine. I thank God the woman is around. Thank God the woman is around. So is this woman, you see where there is clothes, the shop behind her, this one here, where is my hand? That's anyway, let's just be going. Mommy, you want fresh pepper? Try one. I'm checking go ding ding bada. Say fine. I know she does not sell um fresh pepper. I just purposely asked her in case she might have some. But I know it's just dry pepper that she sells, and then soup ingredients, soup foodstuffs. See fine ingredients here. Omo, good thing is good though. This water is pouring out from here. Maybe they're pumping water. So this is where I used to grind pepper, tomatoes, beans before, but ever since I have my blender, it's only beans if I want to do more and more. And I used to buy fresh pepper from them and fresh tomatoes in case of emergency. So let me ask them. No more fresh pepper, 100 naira is 200. Okay. Ah, thank you. So guys, I've brought the fresh pepper. See, 200 naira pepper. It's all right. 200. Na nka nwa. Nka. See what she sells. Full stuff. Get crayfish we account for. 100 naira. Hey. Madam, 4 years ago. That's 150. Oh. Abule go ni.